Welcome back to the channel. This is, I suppose, episode 3 of the Bejam van tour of the UK. Follow along from the last video. I'm still in Cornwall at the moment. I think in the last video I might have come from Devon into Cornwall because I had the issue with the wheel and the tyre, didn't I? So at the end of that video you saw the drone shots and the cows and stuff. That's exactly where I am now. It's a place called Port Holland. It's kind of between St Austell and Falmouth, literally right on the coast. The beach is literally just outside there. I'm sat in the van because it's absolutely hammering it down outside. Just down the road from me, I'm trying to pronounce this, is Carhays Castle. It looks really nice, to be fair. I won't walk down there. I was going to go down there today and try and get some footage of it, but it's just been miserable the whole day. So I've spent literally all day in the van, bar a walk with the dogs earlier, just making those last 2 videos, and the first one literally went out today. So if you haven't watched that already, definitely worth going and check it out because it's kind of the kick-off video to this series of videos. I thought about staying here tonight, but I think instead I'm now going to head off, trying to work out where I'm going to go. I've got a lot of family up in North Cornwall, so I think I'm going to head north to theirs to make the most of their washing machine and shower facilities, because it's been a couple of days for me now, and it's easier using a proper shower than it is using the shower in here. Every van lifer or van person, camper vanner definitely knows that. So yeah, let's kick off this video. Who knows where it will go? I don't know where it's going to go. I have no plan. I'm just filming every day as it comes. So yeah, hopefully it's a good one. Stick around. Core, 120 quid. I don't want too many of those really. It'll be a short bloody trip. That is the second fill up of the trip. So the first one was about 130 quid. So I'm about 250 quid in. Fuel is just not gonna go down, is it? It's never gonna go down now, no chance. Anyway, I'm on my way to my uncle's, he lives just outside Camelford in North Cornwall. I'm nearly there now. I'm actually in Camelford now. Before I get there, I need to show you this hill that you have to go down and up again to get to his house. So, I mean, it's just a valley. It just goes straight down and straight up again the other side. It's mad. If I do it in the van, I have to get a run up for it and then like full power out the other side. Otherwise the van definitely wouldn't get out of it. So I'm hoping that the camera does it justice, because it's scary sitting here. Trust me, the first time you go down it, it's definitely scary sitting here. So yeah, give us a second and I'll take you down it. Alright, are you ready for this? Hopefully you can see from that angle. We're now about to go down the hill. This is it. I'm getting a run up. Look at it. Right, this is where it gets bad. Oh my god. Oh god. That was it. Maybe a bit of an anticlimax. And there's Rower. Sweet.
Spent the last year chasing myself.
Those of you who have been watching my videos for a little while might recognise this place. At the beginning of last year, in the middle of winter, me and Sky came down to Cornwall. We actually climbed up here and we did a similar thing, really got some cool photos, flew the drone about, but it's a much nicer day today than it was then. So this place is Router. It's basically a big old hill in North Cornwall, just outside Camelford. It's absolutely glorious today, and I've been pretty lucky with the weather actually. But it's miserable yesterday, or the beginning of this video, wasn't it? You can't, there's a little park up close by to here. You can't park up in there overnight annoyingly, and to be fair, if it's like that, it's on a massive hill, so you wouldn't want to stay there. If you're gonna come here, then Davidstow Airfield, which is like a mile away, is probably the best place to stay. So Google that, or I'll put the what 3 words up on the screen now. But I've stayed there loads of times and never had any issues. To be fair, in the summertime you get quite a few vans up there, but it's such a big area, you're pretty safe, and like you can literally see the sea from here. You're really not that far. So I'm staying at family members at the moment, which is not too far from here, just outside Camelford. So I'm doing my washing and just sorting the van out, ready to carry on the trip. So it was a nice day. I thought I'm getting my bike out and I'm riding to the top of this hill, but more interestingly, I'm hoping to ride down it, which might be a little bit sketchy on my own. It's just me trying to get the bloody bike on top of those rocks earlier. I wouldn't advise doing that. It was definitely dodgy. So yeah, I don't know where the video is going to go. We'll see. We're going to hoon it down this mountain now, and hopefully I'll survive to carry on making videos. Yeah, sweet. I've had such a cracking day today, just messing around on the side of that hill and messing around with all the different cameras, the drones, the GoPro, my proper camera. I'm just desperate now to get the footage on the laptop and try and turn it into a video. I'm really keen to see what it turns out like. Based on that, I think I'm going to finish this video here and just call it a day. Tonight I'm going to camp up at my uncle's again, just down the road. And tomorrow I'm gonna hit the beach, and over the course of the next week I'm gonna spend most of it probably North Cornwall and North Devon, working my way up towards Wales. Oh yeah, I realised, or my mate pointed out to me, that I said anti-clockwise in the video on this UK tour. I know I'm actually doing it clockwise, so I know I'm a helmet. I didn't even realise it when I edited the video together, so it's fine. It's what it is. I'm doing it clockwise, not anti-clockwise. So yeah, based on that, I'll finish this video here. Loads more to come. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have making it, and I'll see you in the next one. Woo!